If you own a Staccato HD C4X, you've already invested in a premium handgun. The next step is choosing a holster that matches the same level of quality. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the MK-Tek holster's Staccato HD C4X inside the waistband holster. I'll show you what makes it different, how it's built, and why the small details matter for everyday concealed carry. A concealed carry holster has one job. It needs to securely hold your firearm while giving you a smooth and repeatable draw every single time. That sounds simple, but many holsters miss the mark. Some are uncomfortable after only a few hours. Others don't offer enough adjustments, and some simply aren't molded accurately for the firearm. Our goal at MK-Tek Holsters is straightforward. Build a holster that you'll actually want to wear every day. Every Staccato HD C4X holster starts right here in our Rockland, Massachusetts shop. Instead of relying on borrowed dimensions or a generic mold, we begin by digitally scanning the firearm using our professional 3D scanning equipment. That scan becomes the detailed CAD model from where we design the mold with features that improve both comfort and performance. Every curve, every retention point, it's all intentional. Once the mold is complete, we form premium bolter-on around it and begin assembly. The result is a precise fit that's consistent from one holster to the next. Let's go through some of the features that make this holster stand out. First is adjustable retention. You decide how much resistance you want during the draw. Just a simple adjustment lets you fine-tune the feel to match your preference. Next is adjustable ride height. Some shooters like the grip sitting a little higher. Others prefer it a little deeper. You can set the holster where you want, where it works best for you, or your optic. We also include adjustable cant. Whether you carry at appendix or just behind the hip, you can dial in the right angle that feels the most natural. This holster is optics ready right out of the box. If you're running a slide mounted red dot, there's no need to modify anything. You'll also notice that we've extended the sweat guard. That'll cover your hammer bite. This helps keep the slide away from your body while adding in comfort during the long days of carry. The open muzzle design allows for dirt and moisture to escape while providing clearances from many threaded barrels. Every edge is hand smoothed and polished. It isn't just about appearances. Smooth edges simply feel better throughout the day. Everyone carries differently. That's why we offer multiple attachment options. Whether you prefer grip hooks, soft loops, a DCC monoblock, or our regular fold-over clip, and even fabric clips. You can build the holster around the way you carry. The attachment system is one of the biggest reasons customers come back for another MK-Tek holsters. It gives you flexibility without sacrificing stability. Every holster is individually assembled and inspected before it leaves our shop. Each one is test fitted using the actual firearm it was designed around. We're looking for consistent retention, proper fit, and smooth edges, correct hardware installation, and overall quality. Around here, quality isn't something we take lightly. If you've met the boss lady, you already know she's not letting anything leave the shop unless it meets our standard. The best holster is the one you'll actually wear. That's why comfort matters. A good holster stays where you put it. It doesn't shift around. It doesn't constantly need adjustment. It simply becomes part of your everyday routine. Whether you're spending the day driving, working, or running errands, or on the training range, your holster should work with you instead of against you. That's exactly what we designed this one to do. If you're looking for a premium inside the waistband holster for your Staccato HD C4X, we think you'll appreciate the attention to detail that's built into every MK-Tek holster. Designed and manufactured and tested right here in Rockland, Massachusetts. Every holster reflects our commitment to quality, American craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product overviews, concealed carry tips, and behind the scenes videos from our shop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.